What is this? Now wait the way then give me.
Hello my people, I greet the first for touchable mama host on a day fine. Una do what una tell me they share, comment, like, God go bless una, really appreciate una well. My people, wonder shall never end. Hey, you see that our country. Nowadays where be say bag of rice now 85,000 naira. Abi don't even pass safe. Many things there now where people call they do now. This driver where I go show now, so now see wetin he load for inside aging. He said na person give am, may he go give the people. So you don't know wetin even dey for inside. So now they come they ask and say, wetin you know say dey for inside? Say na igbo. My people, the thing it don't tire everybody. Even now this video now 2 in 1. Even the other video where I go still put joiner together. No, now see wetin they put for inside palm oil. You see palm oil when they tell they cook soup now. That one. If you see wetin dey for inside, the thing go even shock you. Say, how they tell no say this thing dey inside. Now, that be the something now. Because all these things, even people where even they bring something, come on and be careful. When they bring something come from Nigeria, say maybe na your friend, or less na your blood. Even your blood says sometimes you go even dey fear. Not be lie or may not go put you for problem. Because you way be say carry the something, now they go hold. Before you come the talk, say not be me, na person give me, and na this one. You are your all that time. May we watch this video. Mona see where this man where he load there. Whether you go, you said whether you go even know say something they there. May we watch this video.
Telling me at this moment, driver, remove the seats. Yeah, can you open your seat? What is this? Now wait the way then give me. They give you Wetin?
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the Wetin?
They say they not tell me the name.
Wetin they call am?
This one I bought.
Na Igbo they call am when they give you.
No.
Wetin they
They
call am?
bring her inside nylon. As they bring her, they say I should go and give.
Who packages inside engine?
Honestly, I cannot lie on the one. Yes.
You have to do your toilet. You can put one more.
What is your name?
My name is Nawooh.
Where are you coming from?
From Lagos.
From where?
Nawooh.
How many of you?
Yeah.
Do we still have it in another compartment? Or is it all? No. We still have it somewhere. Okay. Let's as we are removing it, we'll be counting it.
Yes, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5.
Which other? Leave the place like that. Which other? The other side. Let's go to the other side.
If you are saying you are in the middle of those parts, so you will not be possible.
Okay. This.
Sai an samu tilin.
Daga can taba aka turo ya zo ya ɗauke ka da mashin. Haka ne? To yanzu ga shi kamar yadda muke gani mun ga amination cikin wanda. Shi ne nan ko?
Hey, my people now see wetin dey for inside palm oil. You now wey be say e dey bring something come from Nigeria. If they give you this palm oil, shebi you go the thing say na palm oil na really dey, because when they go put am for inside, the thing go come thick. Una know say palm oil na go come thick. This one now they come make am so that all the wetin dey for inside fit comot. Una see how many wey dey for inside. If they come see you now wey they bring something come from Nigeria because of say you wan do help for somebody, they come catch you for airport. Shebi you go now, you go answer the query before you come talk say na person give you. Oh, many things dey happen for that country. Now e make me, I know they blame people wey be say they go say they no want bring something come for person. I know they blame them now because of wetin that they see. If you be that person, say your friend say no one bring something come for you, no vex too much, so not be fault. You understand? Now because of all these things, so una see that bus driver now. That bus driver, you wey be say the watchman, you go suspect say something like that. E dey for the seat wey be say the man sit down put. All na to make money, now money dem dey find, urgent money, then they find they go. Now e make am people wey be say they want bring something come. If you bring am come, they will make sure say you open am for their present. What look wetin dey inside. We even know say even shoe self. Inside shoe that they put something, the way they tell they do, now only God can know. Even go reach inside yam. Hey, now God, now Baba God, now they save everybody. If no be person wey be say, now he bring gun, you can't see him with your crow eye. No carry, otherwise you go enter one chance. You see this driver now, he don't enter one chance. Whether na person really give out, whether na him just they run the thing, one chance he don't enter. Before he go come go explain himself, he go first of all stay for one place. Una understand where he go go. Hey, oh my God! But now be careful. Be very, very careful. May not go be say waiting you not know one, no two. Now you now come the answer for, because when they drag you, they go. The person will be say give you the something. He go say not know you now. And now no matter. They go say not know you. I say know you, but now you now your hand and they foresee the something. My people. Make I leave this video for here like this. Abemona, help me share this video. Love and like this video. Do not forget to follow my page Untouchable Mama or Touchable Mama. Follow me on my YouTube Unto Mama TV. Now me still get my people. God will bless you. So now tell they help me tell they share, comment, like. I appreciate you now well. I beg. Be very, very careful. Not go do good. Go enter one chance so you are on your own that time. I'm not saying you not help some help people bring something, or if they bring something come, but no waiting you they carry. Make sure say you use your 2 eyes to see. Now they go package the something for your front, not come up for there. Make them package and give you, so that if you something happen, if you the answer query, you know say yes, this thing I know what is there inside. Not be say they'll go give you something, you can't say you don't know. Sometimes say even soap to bath, they go say they want bring and I know all those black soap, they go put something for inside. You not go know. All right, my people, thank you. God bless you. I appreciate each and every one. Bye bye.